Hey friends, what's up and welcome back to our channel. So today you are going to come along and clean the house with me. There are several rooms in the house that I like to deep clean every single week, and that is what we're going to do here. So as you can see right now, I'm just kind of removing everything in the kitchen off the countertop so I can get ready to spray them down. My cleaner of choice is lemon scented Clorox bleach. For some reason, I don't know what it is, people, but if it smells like lemon, I feel like it's totally getting the job done. So right now I'm just wiping down the countertops, and after I wipe down the countertops, I'm putting everything back in its own little space, occasionally wiping and dusting things down. So for our next part of our countertop, it is the most used part. So right now I am wiping and dusting our little accent pieces that we have in the corner, and I have the cutest little paw print kind of stone from our cat Dolce that we put down several years ago, and I actually have a tattoo of him on the back of my shoulder. So let's continue cleaning these countertops. Friends, let me tell you about the most amazing stovetop cleaner I have ever used in my entire life. I will link it below. I believe it's called Weiman's, and I use a little bit too much. You only need to use a drop of this, but it gets out everything if you have a flat stovetop like mine. It's amazing. Next up, I'm going to be finishing polishing all of the rest of my big appliances like the refrigerator, stove, microwave, and dishwasher using a stainless steel cleaner by the same company, Weiman's. Anyways, I'll link it below for you guys. Next up, I'm going to be taking a damp paper towel and I'm going to be wiping down our kitchen table. I use a damp paper towel because honestly I haven't found a wood cleaner that is not as harsh as real wood. We got this table from IKEA years ago and it lasted us for so long. I'm just afraid to use anything else. So if you have any recommendations of a non-harsh wood cleaner, let me know in the description below. So right now I am just finishing up and cleaning some dirty dishes that were in the sink. I had just unloaded the dishwasher, so I kind of want to keep that empty for a little bit longer. Next up, as you can see, I am spraying my sink down with the Clorox bleach, and I am using a copper scrubbing pad from Scotch-Brite to get kind of all like the rusty stuff away, you know, the gooky stuff that tends to build up in your sink after a while. Ladies and gentlemen, let me share with you my favorite cleaning appliance that we own. This is the Cyclone by Dyson. Johnny had gotten this for a Black Friday deal, I think about a year or so ago. It is pretty pricey, so I would definitely wait for a Black Friday deal. We got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and you know they always send the 20% off coupon. I'm just vacuuming the kitchen floor right now and getting ready before I start mopping. Now I'm going to be using a hardwood and laminate floor cleaner by a company called Zepp, and Johnny and I get this from Home Depot. I'll also link this below. This is the safest product that we found to use on our laminate floors. Laminate floors, people, not real hardwood floors. Now let's finish vacuuming and mopping the rest of the kitchen and dining room area. As you can see, I moved on to our living room and I'm using my Dyson to vacuum our rug here. And look what's on the screen! Our New York vlog, one of our favorite vlogs ever. I'm just finishing up vacuuming and then I'm going to be moving on to vacuuming the couches. How cute is my little tea and coffee bar? Johnny bought me the Keurig from Kohl's a couple years ago, and everything else that you see here, the chalkboard stands, The mugs, the lamp, and actually the whole coffee and tea bar itself is from HomeGoods. All right, now on to everyone's least favorite room to clean in the house, the bathroom. This bathroom in particular, I clean every single day, guys. Not shown in this video, I do scrub the toilet, and I actually get out those pesky toilet rings by using sandpaper. That's a little trick for you. Moving on to the stairs, and guys, we have a lot of them. So I'm using my handy spray bottle by Zep and continuing dusting our front entryway council table, which was bought at IKEA. The plant, the love sign, and the little basket on the bottom is from HomeGoods, and the little wax melt lamp is from Bath & Body Works. And welcome upstairs to our master bathroom. Right now, I am vacuuming all the stuff that gets on your master bathroom floors, and I'm going to continue by wiping with my Clorox bleach wipes here, just making sure that I get in every nook and cranny, then continuing vacuuming and organizing a few different things, as well as wiping and dusting down before I get to the master bathtub. Guys, if I could be totally honest here, we never use this master bathtub. So I'm just scrubbing it down before I move on to our sink area. Now, I want to let you know, our sink area does not ever look like this. As you can see, I just kind of threw all of the cleaning products on our bathroom sink. So I don't want you to think that we're that messy upstairs. If you guys are wondering what that little Tupperware bowl and spoon was, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you know that Mimo is on a special diet right now. So I like to prepare his food in our bathroom, as the rest of the cat food is in our closet. So as you can see, now using the Windex and wiping down the mirrors here, and I'm going to continue by wiping down the countertops and the sinks, just kind of moving things around, getting in the corners of everything really good. I actually always joke around with Jonny about this, but take a look at my side and all the stuff that I have, and take a look at his side and all of his beauty products and whatnot over there. Oh my goodness, he is like 10 times more stuff than I do, but the man looks good. Now this is what I like to call a sparkly clean bathroom. Friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on those notifications below, and we'll see you on our next adventure.